Powerful websites you should know, part 641, and this one is tiny, dumb fun and actually useful if you like messing with quick AI-generated clips. Here is the deal. There is a site where you can literally upload your reference images or short clips, type a simple prompt, and it will spit back a video that blends them together. I know it sounds wild, but I tried it the other day just for the giggles, and 5 minutes later I had a short, shareable clip that was goofy, instant, and honestly pretty cool. It made me realize how fast creators can move today, so let me walk you through the vibe of using that kind of site for your concept tests or social fodder. First, you pick your references, which could be stills, short video clips, or a mix of both, as long as you make sure your reference files are clear with good lighting and obvious poses. The site uses these as anchors to understand your characters, and then you just type in a tiny bit of direction to tell the AI what to do. You can be specific or lazy with your prompt, hit generate, wait a few moments, and bam, you have a short clip that stitches those references into motion. Now, before you go churning out trademark mashups, remember that copyrighted characters are a gray area, so keep it to personal memes or tests. A smarter move is to create character mashups that are clearly transformative, or to design your own funky avatars so you get the same charm without the legal headache. Back to the workflow. After generation, you will usually get multiple versions, so pick the best one and maybe do a light edit if the site offers trimming. Most sites let you tweak the style, like switching from high detail to pixel art, which can often mask small artifacting and make the video look much cleaner. This is where most creators stop. But if you are building a serious content strategy with 3 to 5 shorts a week, you need a real pipeline. This is where Vizard actually becomes the low-key MVP, because while the generator is great for concepts, Vizard handles the heavy lifting of consistent output. Imagine this workflow. You generate a handful of short AI clips, export them, and toss them into a single Vizard project. I uploaded my clips, and Vizard's auto-editing tool immediately started suggesting viral-ready edits, finding punchy moments, and adding jump cuts automatically. It even recommends caption styles based on platform norms, saving you from manually cutting every clip and guessing the best timestamps yourself. It really is like having an editor who knows exactly what works on short-form platforms, which is a game changer for your productivity. Then comes scheduling, where you set how often you want to post and choose your platforms, letting the AI line everything up for you. Whether you want to publish 3 times a week at peak hours or just set it and forget it, Vizard slots the best clips into the calendar for you. The content calendar is actually useful for drag and drop rescheduling and tweaking captions or thumbnails without having to re-export the whole project. That is what makes it different from single-purpose tools that only handle editing or only handle scheduling, leaving you to piece things together. Some platforms are super expensive or force you into a clunky manual editor where you still have to do all the heavy lifting yourself. Vizard sits in the sweet spot because it doesn't try to replace your creative generator. It just makes that output work for social media in a way that scales. For some practical tips, always export both a short version and a longer master, because those longer files give Vizard more material to create variations. Also, name your files clearly before uploading, like using descriptive titles, so you do not have to hunt through dozens of random files later. Writing a few caption variations when you upload is another great move, because having an original punchline makes A/B testing much easier. Think about branding by creating folders in Vizard for specific series, so you can easily assemble a compilation of top clips whenever you want. A couple more real talk points. Quality varies across generators, so while Vizard can stabilize jittery frames, it cannot turn low-quality garbage into cinematic gold. Use the generator for the concept and the charm, then let Vizard polish, edit, and scale what is actually worth keeping for your audience. Trends shift fast, but using a system where you can rapidly generate ideas and edit them into clips keeps you flexible and ready to double down on what works. So that is the quick loop. Find a site you like, upload references, type a prompt, export versions, then bring everything into Vizard for automation. You get fast creative iteration plus the structure to actually publish consistently, which saved me hours compared to cutting everything manually. If you are playing with AI clips and want to turn them into consistent social content, this combo is the definition of low effort and high output. If you want, I can share my starter prompts and the exact settings I use to make things look good on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, so let me know if you want those.